Welcome everybody. Today in Carole's art room, I am going to do a lid to a jar. This is a jar. It could be a candy jar or whatever you want to put in it. So I'm going to cut. I'm going to do a bloom on top of my lid. So what I did is I stuck a yogurt container down on my spinner, taped inside, taped around the edges, and then I'm going to put that on there. And we're going to see what we get. I'm going to do reds and silver. So if I use this in my kitchen, I'll have red accents and my can won't open. Oh, got it. Oh. All right, this is Color to Go, and it's a mist tint. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the top. I got this idea from Louise McKay Art. She has a YouTube channel. She does these all the time. She inspired me, so I thought I would try it. I mean, it's very similar to doing a coaster, so. I'm going to do reds and silvers, so I have reds in my kitchen, so we'll see how this goes. Now, what color should I put down first? I think I'll just put the silver down first, and it should show up in the middle. This one is a ruby red by Deco Art. It's like a metallic-y red. And then this one is Amsterdam medium red. It's pretty much the same color, but I have some magenta. It's almost a red. I'm going to put a little bit of that just on the top. And then I'll use black cell activator. I'm going to blow this with my breath. All right, let's give this a try. Not very many cells there. I have a feeling my cell activator is getting old. I'll blow this again. It's getting there. what do you think? Should I swirl it? The red's not showing through very much, is it? It's looking better. I just want to make sure that the sides get covered. At least I don't have to worry about my tile sliding off the canvas or off the spinner. I don't even know if this yogurt thing is centered properly, but I can always adjust it. A little bit more here. Sides aren't quite covered. So I'll just put some paint there. I'll pull it down a little bit. Next time I'll put more pillow paint down so it flows off better. It's pretty thin there. I don't think any more is going to come down. I think that's going to be it. So there's my first lid. I'll see how it dries, and then I'll see how it resins. I'll probably do another one with more red. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried lid on the end at the end of the video. See how it dries. Have a good one. Hi everyone. Here's my dried lid. It dried good. I'm gonna resin it. Sides are good. And all I have to do is pull off this. I'll do that after I resin it. And let the resin run down. And then pull the tape off. Anyway, there you go. I'm gonna try some different colors and try some more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.